So here's the Raptor Hunt by Enable. This is an organization that provides 3D printed hunts to kids in need, mostly people who are born without fingers. This particular hunt is 3D printed in ABS. It's built to fit a very young kid, and the way it works is by bending the wrist. A mechanism is activated which pulls the finger together, thus enabling the person wearing it to hold something in this hand. I'm gonna do a quick demonstration of how it works. So the palm actually goes in here. Just switch the camera. And there you have a mechanism by which it pulls the hand together. If you know someone in need of such a hand, please get in touch, and we'll be happy to help him get one.